Hey, it's Kate with WTI. Are you ready to transform a room in your home to a boho beachy oasis?
These linen curtains are by BCLBUSTE, and they come in a set of 2 panels, and I am super in love with them. This fabric is really, really soft, and I love the boho details. It has tassels along both sides and also tassels on the bottom. And as you can see, the detail up close of the pattern of these curtains is just really, really gorgeous. I have them here in the khaki embroidery, and I'm just obsessed with that really easy boho style. And I love that they have this light filtering effect. So with my blinds closed, they let a little bit of light in. And then you can see when I open the blinds, they're a little bit more sheer. So you have some privacy, but you also are able to still see outside. And I just think that the overall effect is really beautiful. They add so much character to the room. The way that the light filters in really adds a lot of dimension to the room as well, and they're just gorgeous.
I am so happy with these curtains. I love the light filtering effect. I love the boho style. I think they are just perfect for this space, and I think that you are going to be really happy with them too. But that's just my point of view.